Hi, yes. Today topic. This is very useful to you. Today topics completely in Kohlberg. Total 24 questions are discussing today. This is useful to ctet and TS and APTET also. Now start at first question. All of you listen carefully. At which stage of Lawrence Kohlberg theory or moral development do individuals believe that actually maintain the correct social system, ensures positive human relationships and societal order? Understand question again. Into which stage of Lawrence Kohlberg theory of moral development do individuals believe that actively maintaining the current social system ensure positive human relationships and societal order? First option A. The instrumental purpose of orientation. The universal, second one, the universal ethical principles orientation, and third one, the punishment and obedience orientation, and fourth one, the social order maintain orientations. Once two times you're reading, question is observed, answer also available there. Maintain the current social system endured positive human relationships of societal order. So in this stage, which stage asking here? So answer is what? Guess all of you. Answer is what? So answer is fourth one, the social order maintaining orientation. Why? This Kohlberg theory is the moral development statements represent exchange orientation, typical and conversational stage. These are all conversational stage and throughout the conventional levels. A children's sense of morality in tied personally and societally relationship. So this is the order wise maintain the orientations. So second question, move to the second question all of you. The next question is, Noor forgot the bring her tiffins to school and asked Tanya and share her tiffin saying, you should share your tiffin with me today because I shared my tiffin with you yesterday. According to Lawrence Kohlberg theory, is the moral development new statements represent orientation, typical stage. Once observe the question, already shared the tiffin in yesterday. So today I am shared my tiffin you. Here share means what? Share means which stage level, which stage this one. Is the Noor forgot to bring her tiffin to school and asked Tanya to share her tiffin saying, what asking? You should share your tiffin with me today because I shared my tiffin with you yesterday. So according to Lawrence Kohlberg theory is the moral development. Noor's statements represent orientation, typical end states. This is very important. So what is this? It means yesterday you done that one. Today same situation. Today also she's explained what is that. You are also shared your tiffin. I am also tiffin. This means completely this is the exchange part. What is this exchange part? So what is the answer you guessing? First one, law and order post conventional. Second one, obedience and pre-conventional. Third one, bring nice and conventional. Fourth one, exchange and conventional. So what is the answer? Exchange the conventional. Exchange the conventional. Why? This here necessary to ensure the positive relationship is here, positive relationship and societal order. This is also. So rules and conventional somewhat read regret during these stages of rules appropriateness or fairness of seldom questioning. So what is this? This completely exchange. So represent the exchange oriented typical at conventional model. So what is the answer? Exchange conventional. So next question. Next question, read the following description and identify the stage of moral reasoning and Kohlberg. What is the description? Observed what question reading time? Observed, you read the question 2 times at least. Right action is defined by the self-chosen ethical principles or conscience that are valid for all humanity regardless and the law of social agreement. The first option, the social contract orientation. Second one, the social order maintaining orientation. The third one, universal ethical principles orientation. Fourth one, the instrumental purpose orientation. So what is the answer? Guess. So option is answer is D, C, the universal ethical principles of orientation. Why this is make discussing? Kohlberg, this is the highest stage of functioning, and he claimed some individually will never reach this level, and this stage of appropriate action is determined by one's self-chosen ethical principles of conscience. These principles are abstract and universal in application. This type of reasoning involves to taking the perspective of every person or group that could potentially be affected by the decision. So this way that universal ethical principles of orientation is the correct answer. Move to the next question. The Kohlberg theory is the moral reasoning has been criticized on several counts. Which of the following statement is correct in this context of this criticism? So first option, Kohlberg has based his study primarily on a male sample, and B is Kohlberg has not given typically response to each stage of moral reasoning. C, Kohlberg has duplicated piaget methods of arriving at this at his the theoretical framework. And fourth one, Kohlberg theory does not focus on children's response. Which one is the answer? Guess all of you. What is the question? Kohlberg theory moral reasoning has been criticized on the several counts. Which of the following statement is correct in this context of criticism? Guessing all of you. So answer is first one. Kohlberg has based his study primarily on a male sample. Why? Why? Because the criticism Kohlberg's theory is that it emphasizes justice to the exclusions of other values and so may not adequately address the arguments of those who value other moral aspects of action. So, Carol Gilligan has argued this Kohlberg theory is overally and Rosentrick. Kohlberg theory was initially developed based on empirical research using only male participants. Gilligan argued us did not adequately describe this concern of women. Kohlberg stated that women tend to get struck at level of 3, focusing on the details of how to maintain the relationship of promoted to welfare of family and friends. Man has likely to move on the abstract principles and thus have less concern with the particular of the who is involved. That's why answer is Kohlberg has based his study primarily on the male sample. Is that a correct answer? Understand fourth question. Move to the fifth question. Fifth question. A child reasons you do this for me and I will do that for you. In which stage Kohlberg moral reasoning would this child fall? First one, the punishment and obedience of orientation, and the good boy, good girl orientation, and social construct orientation, and the instrumental purpose of orientation. Guess the answer. So answer is B. The good boy, good girl orientation. The moral development reasoning and their part this one. Absolutely so many times I've repeated this question. So next one, move to the sixth question. What is the major criticism of Kohlberg theory? First one, Kohlberg proposed a theory without any empirical basic. B. Kohlberg did not give clear-cut stages of moral development. C. Kohlberg proposed that moral reasoning is developed. Last one. D. Kohlberg did not account for cultural differences in moral reasoning of men and women. So, guess the answer. So answer is D. Kohlberg did not account for cultural differences in moral reasoning of men or women. Already previous question I am explained this one. Okay, that explanation thoroughly listen this one. Next, move to the seventh question. Which of the following is a characteristics of Kohlberg's stages of moral development? First one, variable sequence of stages. Second one, stages are isolated response and not a general pattern. Fourth, third one, universal sequence of stages across all cultures. Fourth one, stages processed in a non hierarchic manner. Any mistakes of oral time and written time, the forget it for that, only focus in the important questions only. Guess the answer. So answer is C. Universal sequence of stages across all cultures. So next, move to the eighth question. According to Kohlberg, the thinking process involved in judgments about the questions of right and wrong is called. First one, moral dilemma. Second one, morality cooperation. Third one, moral reasoning. Fourth one, moral realize. Guess the answer. So answer is moral reasoning. Move to the next question. Colonel Singh does not pay income tax despite legal procedures in expenses. He thinks that he cannot support a corrupt government which spends to millions of rupees in buildings, unnecessarily dams. He is probably in which stage of Kohlberg stage of moral development? First one, para-conventional. Second one, post-conventional. Third one, conventional. Fourth one, pre-conventional. Guess the answer. First, they are discussing the conventional stages are four is there. Next, Kohlberg, Colonel Singh does not pay to the income tax. That's the question. descripts of legal procedures and expenses. He thinks that he cannot support the correct of government, which spends millennium of rupees in building unnecessary dams. He is probably in which stage of Kohlberg stages of moral development. Here, Kohlberg proposed this detailed sequence of stages in moral reasoning or judgments about right or wrong. He divided moral development into three levels is there. What is that? Pre-conventional, where judgment is based solely and personal own needs of prescription. Second one, conventional. Conventional what it is? Where the expectations of society in the law are taken into account. So here convention states expectation in the society. You cannot pay to the income tax. So what is the answer here? So, post-conventional. Answer is post-conventional. Conventional what is that? Expectations of society. So next one, third stage is post-conventional. Here where judgments is based on abstract, more personal principles that are not necessarily define the societies of law. Here saying the question is what? Define the society of laws. That's why this is answer is post-conventional. Post-conventional what is given the message? Judgments are based on abstract, more personal principles that not necessarily define the societies of law. Define the only societies of law. Here the legal procedures are not expensive. He thinks what is that? Cannot support the corrupt of government. It can spends of millions of rupees buildings unnecessarily dams. He is probably in which is of states. Is completely in the post-conventional law of the states. So answer is C, post-conventional. Read this topic of this means Kohlberg topics of here. Stages of moral development, more times repeated, post and pre and para-conventional or conventional. These four are again once you read that one, the question is understanding easily. Move to the next question, that is the 10th one. Children says primary school follow which of the following stages as proposed by a Kohlberg? A. Obedience and punishment orientation. Very more times I've repeated this question. Very important. B. Individualism and explains. C. Good interpersonal relationship. D. Social contract and individual rights. What is the correct answer? Guess. So answer is what? A. B and A. Obedience and punishments orientation. B. Individualism and exchange. Move to the next question. 11th question. Kohlberg believes that A. Moral judgment is not dependent on environment input. Second one, the final level of moral judgment reached depends on the social economic status. C. Level of moral judgment unfold in a random order. D. The movement from one level of moral judgment to another is dependent on the uh, advances in cognitive maturity. So answer is D. The movement from one level of moral judgment to another is depending on the advances in the cognitive maturity. Move to next question, 12th question. A student of class 6th is follow the rules of the school to maintain the social order through not is satisfied which the said rules the students is in this level of Kohlberg moral development. First one, pre-conventional. Second one, pre-moral. Third one, conventional. Fourth one, post-conventional. Guess the answer. Answer is conventional. Answer is conventional. Next, 13th one. According to Kohlberg, conscience guides behavior of an individual in the stages of moral development. A. Stage 5th of post-conventional. Second one, stage 4th of post-conventional level. C. Stage 3 of conventional level. D. Stage of 4th of conventional level. Guess the answer. Answer is stage 3 of conventional level. Move to next question. According to Kohlberg, a child shows respect for authority of following rules of during. Answer, pre-conventional. Second one, conventional level. Third one, post-conventional level. Fourth one, interconventional level. Guess the answer. Answer is second one, conventional level. 15th question. Students to behave accordance with a morals and ideal of teacher. Teacher behavior should be in this level of Kohlberg's moral development theory is what? Next, first one, abstract conventional. Second one, conventional. Third one, post-conventional. Fifth one, pre-conventional. Post-conventional, I am already explained the previous question. Observe that one. Teacher behavior should be level of Kohlberg. Ideals of the teacher. Okay, what is the answer? C is the answer, post-conventional level. Move to the next question, 16th question. According to Kohlberg, child's morality is controlled by the fear of punishment at the stage. First one stage 3, second one stage 4, third one stage 1, fourth one stage 2. Guess the answer. Fear of punishment. 2-3 times repeat this question. Fear of punishment. Answer is C, stage 1. Answer is C, stage 1. Next, move to next question. According to Kohlberg, the reason for moral behavior of the child during the stage of conventional morality. A. To avoid the punishment from the parents. B. Gaining the acceptance and getting rewards from the others. C. Gaining acceptance and avoiding censure by others. D. B. Self aspects of principles. Guess the answer. The answer is C. Gaining acceptance and avoiding the censure by others. Move to 18th question. At the level of Kohlberg moral development, the morality will be exceed terms of physical punishment. First one, pre-conventional morality. Second one, post-conventional morality. Third one, conventional morality. Fourth one, natural conventional morality. So answer is, guess the answer. So what is the answer? A is the answer, pre-conventional morality. In these questions all are discussing only morality of this one. So pre-conventional, post-conventional, conventional, these are all levels. Once you read the definitions for everyone. Move to the next question, 19th question. A person's thinking, reasoning and competency process play on the important rules of moral development. This was stated by the psychologist. Who is that? Piaget, Chomsky, Vygotsky, Kohlberg. Today topic is what? Very easy to guess in this question. What is that? Kohlberg. A person thinking, reasoning and competency process is playing on the importance role of moral development. Who is this? Which psychologist is started this one? Who is that? Kohlberg. Next, 20th question. According to Kohlberg, children's moral development happens through second level of 7 stages, 6 stages of second level, 6th level of second stage, 3rd level of 6th stage. Guess the answer. Answer is 3rd level of 6 stages. Children's moral development, all stages are read again. Very useful to TET, Telangana TET and AP TET and ctet also. Easy to that. Move to next question. The moral stages of a person who express with due to represent to human rights mercy killing shall be left to the option of the sufferers. If necessary, relevant law shall be amended for the welfare of society. First one, 3rd stages of convention stage, 4th stages of convention stage, 3rd one, 5th stages of post-conventional level, 4th one, 6th stages of post-conventional level. Guess the answer. The answer is C. 5th stages post-conventional level. Post-conventional level already I am discussing this video with the 16th or 15th question. So once back to move this video and read again listen that definition. So answer is what? Fifth stage post conventional level. 22nd question. A teacher who attends the flag hosting on August 15th with the feeling that it is his responsibility to attend the national festival but not to escape from being blamed by his headmaster. The moral stage of teacher here these options. First one, sixth stage post conventional level. Second one, fifth stage post conventional level. Third one, third stage conventional level. Fourth one, fourth stage conventional. Guess the answer. I am reading one for very fast. You post the any inconvenience. Spellings, sometimes spellings stopped and again move that one. For leave that one. Focus on only question and answers. What is the answer? Answer is sixth stage. First one, sixth stage post conventional level. Post conventional level, all stages of moral development. Read moral. Next, move to the 23rd question. Moral stage of children. Moral stage of child who says that he will study if given an ice cream. First one, third stage conventional level. Second one, second stage pre-conventional level. C, first stage pre-conventional level. D, fourth stage conventional level. Guess the answer. Answer is B, second stage pre-conventional level. Moral stage of children who says that he will study and given in a ice cream. Second stage pre-conventional level. The last question in this video. Only I am explaining 24 questions of only Kohlberg. Repeated questions these are. Moral stages of a child who is drinking milk out of fear that his mother will scold him if he did not drink milk. A, first stage pre-conventional level. B, second stage pre-conventional level. C, third stage conventional level. D, fourth stage conventional level. Guess the answer. So answer is A, first stage pre-conventional level. So welcome to my channel everyone. 24 questions, only Kohlberg questions are explained today. So very carefully read this one. Very useful to you, only English medium peoples. So this video is very useful to you. I am thinking anyone is these papers is 24 questions or papers or your need that one, comment section, comment them and given to the PDF submitted there. Okay, thank you. Meet to next video.